Hello everyone. In today's video we are seeing at the widget tabs that how it will be helpful in showing your and managing your large chunk of content. So for demo purpose I have created this temporary page. We have kind of product detail page. So if you see at the page we have this kind of information regarding the product. So we have product image, product title, we have description of product. Here we have mentioned price. Then below we have more info about this main product. That is we need to show product description. Then we have additional description about this main product. Then we have included some reviews from previous customers. Then we have also suggested few more products to customer which is relevant to this main product. So this much data we have for this image, or you can say this product. And instead of showing a large paragraph we are using tabs, so it looks more manageable and we can achieve a good look and feel. So let's start. Okay, so such a large chunk of content can be managed within tabs UI, and it looks more manageable and compact and easy to read for audience. So on a left column, if you go into the general, you will find tabs. So I'm dropping here. Now here you will find tabs title, and below you will find content area. So here by default we have 3 tabs. Now if we check, we have product description, additional description, then we have testimonial, and we have another product suggestion. So here we have total 4 subsection of this main product. So let's add first title. Okay, now to add another, we have add a tab button. So by pressing you can add as many as you want. So fourth one is products you might like. Now we have added tab titles. Now if you go into the details of it, in a section you will find title area. You can also give a CSS ID if you want some additional customization, and you also have option to add icons. So if I add some temporary, so here you have icon. So these are the option in a title. We don't need this fifth one. Before going into tab content part, we have more option regarding tabs. So if we select the tabs, here you will find more option related to it. So you can change direction. So by default it is above. You can make it below. You can also place it vertical, left or right. You can also stretch this tab title as per your container width, or you can also shrink them. So for now I'm going with the stretch style. You can also align your title. So for me this is fine. Now if you go into the additional settings, Here you will find horizontal scroll and breakpoint. Now current our tabs direction is a horizontal, and if we check this page in a mobile, so this is how it is converted. Our tabs goes vertically stacked all information. Now I want to maintain my horizontal look, so for that we have to make this horizontal scroll enable, and here breakpoint is to select a breakpoint that where after which size you want this vertical layout, but for now I am selecting is none, so for all sizes I want this horizontal look. Now if we check in the preview, so by default this is a horizontal. If we make a size smaller, so this is how it looks. So on a touch or you can drag your all tabs content. So it's up to you how you want to make a UI. So for now I am keeping default setting. Now let's add some styling and content. Now to add a content, we have to place our content in a tab content area, as here it is mentioned drag widget here. So from widget you can drop anything here. So that's how this works. So for product description I am dropping text editor and placing this content in the area. Same with the additional information. Either you can drag and drop from left part, but we have already content in the below, so I'm just dragging dropping here. Now for the section products you might like, we have four more product suggestion for customer. So for that we are simply putting images. So I am creating this 4 column design and just placing images there. Now you can notice our large chunk of contents are placed very nicely and in a compact design, which is easy to access for a user, and it gives more readability. Now let's add some styling to it. Now as you select tabs here, you will find style. In a style tab you will find all this option. You can play around this option, and it is similar to other widget option. So here first is a gap between tabs, so here you can add more space. I'm keeping it default one. Distance from a content, so tab title and content has more space in between, so I'm keeping it default. Current look and feel is like this: active state, normal and hover. So we are updating a little bit to match with this. So here we go. You can add a background color. For active I'm keeping black. For active I'm keeping white. Let's keep contrast. I don't want to put any border, but I'm adding some border radius. Padding is fine with me. So for tabs UI change, this much is enough. Let's move to titles. For titles, let's change a little bit typography. For normal state, let's keep it white. For hover also white. For active, let's make it black. So for title, I am happy with this look. You can also give another. You can also play around with other options and check how much it is customizable. Next is the icon. If we have chosen icons in a tab title, then you can also customize it. Below is related to content area. So I'm just adding some spacing. Let's see preview. Here we have tab content. Now we can also make a nested tab content area. So within a tab content area, we can also place another tab as well. So let's see how to do that. So let's say if I go to additional information, I have lots of features for additional information. So instead of long para, long details, I am placing another tabs here. So I will go to elements. From general, I will select another tabs. I want similar style, so I'm copying. Okay. For this nested tab, I like to choose styling left and vertical. Okay, let me quickly change content so we don't get confused. The way we modified this horizontal tab, main tab, nested tab will be modified similar way. For this tab, I am adding some margin so it doesn't look too much busy. Now let's see the preview. So this is our main tabs, and if we go into additional information, user has another tab. So this is called nested tab. So that is also possible within Elementor. So if you have a large chunk of contents, more details, then only this will look better. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.